You are a record-breaking group of people. The most gold medals that we have ever had at our state championships. You're gonna go up against the best this country has to offer.
It really means a lot to me and to my students because I don't know that they realized how big of a deal this is for them. So it was great. It was awesome to have that support.
We know that each of you has earned their place because you've already won Best in State. So we are proud. We know that this is a great accomplishment.
This is probably the first time that I've ever been a part of something like this. Very nice to get the recognition.
I never thought I would even go to college. So to be here representing my school and my program, doing what I love, it's an honor.
You guys are representative of some of the best students at Midlands Technical College. We're very proud of you.
I also had no idea what to expect coming to the lunch. I didn't know if it was going to be building construction. I didn't know if it was going to be everybody. It was awesome. Got to meet new people and kind of see what skills, how big it really is.
Just seeing the ton of different students that are here at the school with the different programs that they offer. To see everybody, even though I don't necessarily know them personally, I'm really excited to get the opportunity to go on this trip with them.
SkillsUSA is a big deal for us. We want to show the country the type of education that we provide here at Midlands Tech. And you're gonna be our representatives of that, and we are just so thrilled to see what you're gonna do.